Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar, and it's not whatever day, it's Wednesday. Okay, so that means we have this day where you wish for songs and I bring them up for you guys. And this time we have you, Finn ELV. I'm not sure about your name, but anyway, you wish for Annika Rose, Fly to You. That's a cool song, and she even got her own wings, Annika, here to be able to fly. That's cool. Let's go into this one, and I hope you will enjoy this. Finel and all you Annika Rose fans out there. Now, let's check this one out. No need for any capo here. We have clean fretboard, 4 chords, that's it. So let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with G. Okay, so G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have B minor next. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have D next, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. And finally, we have the A. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So we have this strumming pattern that is played throughout the song, and we have to split it in 2 parts. I'm going to show you a full round of it, and it goes like this with G. Okay, so very simple. We're gonna start with 2 downs first, so. Okay, so I try to separate them from each other. So the first down is on the bass strings. That marks out what chord I'm playing because we have that bass note. And then the second one goes down on the higher strings. And that's first part, so down, down. And second part will be up, down, up. Okay, so together it sounds like that. Down, down, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds goes like this. Alright, so we're ready for your song, and it starts with the first verse. And in this first verse, we have just 1 down of the following chords. And that is the chord progression for the verse, but even the pre-chorus, okay? So you're gonna play down on G, then B minor, then D, and then A, G. Okay, so A and G comes fast together, okay? So you will understand that later when we go into the strumming part. But again, 1 down with pauses in between. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 rounds of that chord progression, and that is the first verse. Then at the 27 seconds in, so I'm still, that's where on the lyric starts the pre-chorus, and now we're gonna start the strumming. As I said, we have the same chord progression here, and now we need to strum it instead. So you're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, then B minor, 2 string rounds, then D, you're gonna play 1 string round plus part 1. So for D, you're gonna play down, down, up, and then part 1, down, down. That's the D part. And then you shift to A and play part 1. So just down, down. And then you finish off with the G and play 2 full string rounds. So the shift there between D and A goes pretty fast. So I'm gonna take down the tempo a bit for you to understand what we're playing. And then you have to work your way up to get the standard tempo. Let's go. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that is the pre-chorus. Then over to the first chorus, 46 seconds in with that mark. So what am I to do? That is the question. That is the lyric part. So we're gonna continue with the strumming now, just more straightforward. We have 2 string rounds for the following chords: G, D, A, and B minor. And you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So G2, D2, A2, B minor 2, and it goes like this. and that is the chorus part. We also finish off with the post-chorus part. So won't you come in? That is where we're on the lyric, and you just gonna continue with another chorus play there. G, D, A, B minor, 2 string rounds per chord, and that is the first round. And I can just tell now we don't have any news from now on. You've learned everything you need to know. We just go over the song here. So the second round, the second verse. Now the only difference there is instead of playing just one down of the following chords, we had learned in the first verse, which is the same as the pre-chorus. Now you're gonna strum them instead. You're gonna play them in the same way as you strum the pre-chorus. So G2, B minor 2, D1 plus part 1, A part 1, and G2. You do that for 2 rounds. Over to the second pre-chorus, play it exactly the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus. 2 rounds of that, and then you have the second post-chorus part. Instead of playing just 1 round of that chorus play, you play 2 rounds. That's the only difference. After that, you hit this bridge at 2 minutes and 38 seconds in, and again, you're just gonna continue that chorus play for 2 rounds. Then we have the final parts of the song. You're going to jump back to the third chorus, played in the same way as the previous choruses. No changes there. 2 rounds of that. And then finally, the third post-chorus part. You're going to play that chorus play of G, D, A, B minor for 3 full rounds. And guess what? That is how you handle Annika Rose, Fly to You. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed it, especially you, Finn Elv, or whatever your name is. I'm not sure about that. I hope this tutorial could fly to you or reach you, and that you are satisfied. Pretty simple song. Thank you for being here on Growing Guitar, interacting with me, and continue to share on this channel. Wednesdays is the day. Anyway, hope you liked it guys, and until next time, play tuned.